Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A Kino. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them not like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me, try so hard then. Want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Your baller? Your son?
Any misbehaving?
Yeah. Senior right, so my head behind you. Schooling and the misbehaving. I must ball to boarding school. Look like a ball already. That's what I think. G.
Yeah.
Well, it's a beautiful day. Very colorful day.
Yeah.
It's a beautiful day.
Yeah, man, beautiful.
So that means it's a beautiful making.
Beautiful making, yeah.
For the future planning.
Yeah.
And this is it, right?
Yeah, this is it. So, as you can see, we have literally a field full.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I mean?
Yeah. So
all of them want to start.
So I realize well, the inspiration started already because I know you already started.
Exactly.
From then, and the journey continue, and then now to add more fuel to the engine with Raheem Sterling and Liam Bailey pass through
and grace the field.
You know?
So you know from them do that.
Mm-hmm.
The youth them are just want football more and more.
Yeah.
So guess what? We have to give them it.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I mean? But we just not give them football alone.
Yeah.
You see me I say? Because the program where you see now, a JJ Book and Ball and Ball Academy.
Yeah.
See me I say? We are going to give them Monday now, we are going to give them the maths and English, the basics.
Yeah.
In the classroom up there. Then after that, field, and they will just deal with some sandwich with them until better come.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? We can't wait. We have a kitchen here where we are dealing with round on the back.
Yeah.
But we can't wait for it start before we start training.
Before you start training.
When training, that will come in place.
So you just want to go ahead and start it from now?
So that's what we are doing right now.
Kind of make no sense to wait till you have everything one time. Might as well just go and creep.
Go and creep. No. You have a creep. Alex, you are no man, lift up that no man. You're not going to say you have much of the field. General.
Just ask someone.
Hey, the man. Yeah, man.
And then you realize you have a lot of that to go on as well.
But you are, it's a work I'm willing to take on because you have to start. When you start, them will gradually come in place. Them will gradually just fall in place. Because it's the first day, so you know it's going to be a headache.
Yeah,
but at the end of the day, we know what it entails, you know. So guess what? Prepare for it.
Yeah.
And good life, thanks to that piece of clip there, because guess what? The world have to know where we're going.
Of course, because it already started. And also, you don't know, the other day when Christopher Ellis done the competition on 4th Street for the under 14. Because we have some of the ballers them here who's also the player and represent who's dream team baller them, you know. Yeah, get them organized. Get the ball them organized. We get them organized because we have a donor as well too. We watch the program one time we was shooting the video over there. And she like, them went semi-final, I think. No, they went to the final, but they lost the final. And she decided she's gonna send something towards them, you know, just to encourage them, to, you know, to continue and say, yo, there's future out there. You know, so she just, so she sent a donation ceremony, share it amongst the team that was playing that day, and which is you have a couple of them. What them there?
So just find them. Whosoever that player up 40, just find them and line them up.
Sean!
Brother, see that man here, go wait. You never had a play up so what here. Yes,
so who else missing? So
Everybody there.
everybody there. Funny. So Bonska, remember the day when the competition on 4th Street, and this was the Dream Team kids them. Seem like you know what go on is an encouragement for the kids them for the future. Seem like a donor was watching it. She realized they went to the final but them lost, you know, but just send a donation was split it amongst the kids them that was there, the Dream Team kids them that was playing. So it's more like an encouragement for them now, because as I can see the first day, it's a good turnout. So this is the team, this is the Dream Team. How much I know? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. No, let me right here. Dante, what with you? So this is them, you know, which is a fraction of what JJ have here. So it's the same one team now with, you can see the future of TrenchTown starting from here, from a younger age. And you as a man who is also a legend for the community by football for Boys Town over the year, you know, Robert Scott. So this is a way we are sure about now for TrenchTown as a positivity way. Looking forward to see the progress in that, you know. So it's a blessing for now, say it started already. And it's the first day, as a JJ know already, I come in a lot of headache, but at least it started.
Start already.
So from the start.
Always be like that. But then again, you have to just break it down. We have to set some standard and some discipline. Because if you're not in a way there, it's not more difficult. So when I used to get say, yo, go home and don't come back to look after your parents and talk to somebody where we can talk to, then you get that opportunity there. It's a good look. And it's about probably about 30 youth out there. More than that.
It's more than 30 still.
More than that.
So it's also JJ say I add food to the program as well.
That's good, that's good. You know, the program in body. As me that tell Kino before, the program you might not hear. The program named JJ Book and Ball. So we have give them the book, we have give them the book and you give the ball. So it's a combination. Exactly. In a packet. Because we're not going to bring up a ball and him can't read. And we're not going to give a man ball anymore. Our first step education is then you cannot play football at home.
Are you hungry? No.
It's not back in the days when we just tell you look a while, but when I play one, the film find a shot. Pretty like it here. So when you say, yo, you make an effort. You must not find a shot. Must.
Sure.
I mean, so
it's the effort.
And that is the thing where you get, because you have to come in a various kind of dressing. You have to adjust it. You know what I mean? If you can work with it. That's why I'm glad them come today. Because you see, when we're done now, we are group them now. Because it's Monday, it can't be like, it's still half. That's what I'm just. Because you there, that's what I say. You said the professor, I said the yasso. And different segments. When the thing, as I said, from Monday, I'm a program segment. We come on yard. I'm not come on yard. I mean, I woke up. Shortly, forward, that's it. I said the somewhere. You know what I mean? I do some form of activity. Then when you break, then we can include them in the process.
True.
So
we have the Dream Team kids them, and we have, it's a donor send $15,000. You know, so we split it between them. So within 9 of them now, so we'll give them $1,500 each. So it's gonna leave back with $1,000. So with $1,000 now, we can just use them buy some bag waters or bag juice for the rest of the kids them, right? So it's only a start, and we like if we can encourage more people. this future generation where we can always try to help out them. As you can see, you add food to the program. You add food to the program and get the
anywhere we
support.
can, man, because it's a bib, it's a bib, and the basic food stuff. If we can get them there, the more we can get them there, the more them we can cater for.
Anything we cater towards football.
Exactly. Anything at all. It no matter. Once of the sports we are dealing with, they just send it on.
Yeah.
I remember now, all if it's a book,
Yeah.
all if it's an excess, all if a one book.
Yeah.
You see me I say,
Send
because
it
guess
on.
what, we can't leave out the book.
So this is the donation we have from Mel and Mike
Yeah.
from Bronx, which is $15,000. So they will get $1,500 each.
Hold on. Line. Who's that included? Line.
Yeah.
Line. Bonnie. Bonnie. And it today.
Yeah. So them and tell Mel and Mike thanks from Bronx.
First and foremost, the first 1,500 from Mel and Mike.
From Bronx.
Donation from Bronx, Mel and Mike. So present a 1,500 to the
Dream Team Kids.
Thanks, Mel and Mike, donate this $50 for all of us. Really appreciate it.
Alright, well done. Young Kino. Yeah.
And this is the second $1,500 from Mel and Mike from the Bronx. We are presenting $1,500 to the Dream Team youth.
Thanks, Mel and Mike. Big up yourself. Really appreciate it. Because league played so good. Sorry, me lose the league.
Yeah.
Tell you.
Alright then, well done. Alright.
This is the third $1,500 from Mel and Mike from the Bronx, presented to the Dream Team youth.
Mel and Mike, thanks. Big up yourself.
Alright.
And this is the fourth $1,500 from Mel and Mike from the Bronx, presented to the Dream Team youth.
Thank you, Mel and Mike, for the appreciation.
Yeah.
African man. And this is the fifth $1,500 from Mel and Mike from the Bronx, presented to the Dream Team.
Thank you, Mel and Mike. We really appreciate it for donating to us.
Yeah.
Jesus, good. Jesus,
Alright, give thanks.
And this is the sixth $1,500 from Mel and Mike from the Bronx, presented to the Dream Team youth.
Thanks, Mel and Mike. We appreciate it. Big up.
Alright.
And this is the seventh $1,500 from Mel and Mike from the Bronx, presented to the Dream Team youth.
Mel and Mike, thanks. Love this game.
And this is the eighth $1,500 from Mel and Mike from the Bronx, presented to the Dream Team youth.
Mel and Mike, thanks. God bless you.
And this is the ninth $1,500 from Mel and Mike from the Bronx, presented to the Dream Team youth.
Mel and Mike.
Thanks to the US.
Thanks for the US.
So this now is the next $1,000 now.
And this now the next $1,000 we're gonna get some
What?
drink for the youth and water,
bag juice,
whatever. So everybody can have a drink. Not much, but
We give thanks.
give thanks here.
We give thanks from Mel and Mike.
Mel
So
and Mike from the Bronx. Enough love, respect, manners and thanks.
yeah, man, for the kids. Give thanks. See there.
Alright.
So we give thanks, Mel and Mike. Thank you so much.
Carl,
Yeah. Just buy pure bag calls. So you can get 5 bag. 5 bag. Yeah. Yeah, man, so we give thanks to Mel and Mike. Thank you so much for supporting the kids them who played the competition on that day for Dream Team. And we thank you so much. Yeah, so this is the future and this is it. Line up straight.
line, bend up. You step forward. Right. Ready. Ready. Alright, come. That's one. I'm going back a line. Step up. Now, hand here. Yeah, alright, come. Well done.
I have to turn away one time, just turn away.
Don't have to. Come on, play, man. Hey. Yeah, one I want to come home. Two before then. Darby, give him that two before then, please. Man, they never call up and look cool up. Take that nutshot. Alright, make him screw up, come up now. Everything there at once. Nutshot. So you have to call and do the right thing, the right time, wrong time.
This is the thing, Michael Jackson.
They're gonna can't see.
Alright, no, not bad. What the card now? What the card line then? Where's the card line I want? Last sentence. Hold on now. Last sentence. Alright, now, not bad. Let's stand up on the line and we're going to put this come all the way down. In the next two before, please. In the next two before. Now, we don't want to balance and drop. In the next two before, please. The next two before, please. Four space. Muito bem. Já está na praia, não. Depois já ficou lá, pai. Vamos ver. Já foi lá. Já. Balance assim, não vamos ter. Good. Let's show the speed. Right tomorrow. Good. Alright, come right against the board. Right against the board, that's good. Right against the board.
I'm nervous.
Yeah. And you have to listen to my goal.
There's more assist.
Perfect.
Can't see the shower in a go on in already. Turn on him show and gone.
No, I thought you were going to kneel down yet.
Yeah. He can cry. He can cry.
I like the man who I put at the back here. Where?
Where say one? Last?
Like the man who I have.
One day on. I tell it up one.
See that cracker? Shoot the next one now. Shoot the shoulder one there. Shoot the shoulder one. Shoot the shoulder one.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.